Introducing the Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese T-shirt, a testament to comfort, style, and the essence of Arizona's vibrant culture. Crafted meticulously with 100% cotton sourced from the heartlands of the United States. This shirt embodies the spirit of quality and craftsmanship. From the bustling streets of Phoenix to the serene deserts of Tucson. This T-shirt is more than just apparel. It's a symbol of pride for those who call Arizona home. The design pays homage to the iconic chopped cheese, a beloved culinary delight synonymous with the bustling energy of New York City's street food scene. With intricate detailing and vibrant colors, the Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese T-shirt captures the essence of indulgence and urban flair. Step into the realm of comfort with our premium cotton fabric, carefully selected to provide unmatched softness and breathability. Whether you're exploring the Grand Canyon's majestic depths or strolling through Sedona's enchanting red rocks, this T-shirt ensures you stay cool and comfortable throughout your Arizona adventures. The durable yet lightweight construction makes it perfect for any occasion. From casual outings with friends to outdoor adventures under the Arizona sun. Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese T-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese Hoodie. Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese T-shirt. Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese Sweater. Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese Tank Top. Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese V-neck. But this T-shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a statement. It represents the vibrant fusion of cultures that define Arizona's rich tapestry. Just like the state itself, our T-shirt embraces diversity and celebrates individuality. Whether you're a native Arizonan or a visitor enchanted by its beauty, Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese T-shirt welcomes you with open arms. Each shirt is meticulously crafted with attention to detail, ensuring the highest standards of quality. From the stitching to the printing, every aspect is scrutinized to guarantee perfection. And with its timeless design, this T-shirt transcends trends, making it a wardrobe staple for years to come. Pair it with your favorite jeans for a laid-back look, or dress it up with chinos for a touch of sophistication. The possibilities are endless. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the Arizona Best Club Chopped Cheese T-shirt for yourself. Join the ranks of those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and unparalleled comfort. Whether you're hitting the trails in Flagstaff or enjoying a night out in Scottsdale. Other product.